Alright, so to continue on to the problem from Chapter 7, we're trying to determine what the drawbar power would be given a tractor PTO. So the way to estimate this is actually given in the book in Chapter 7, and it uses something called the 86% rule, which assumes that 86% of the PTO power is the drawbar power. So this is just a way to estimate it. So just keep in mind that this isn't as accurate as the drawbar power that you would have been given by the company. So how you determine this is you need to convert the 86% to decimal form. So you do 86% divided by 100% to get 0.86 because the percents cancel out, and then it gives you a percent in decimal form. So in this problem, it was given that the PTO power was 180 horsepower. So you multiply 180 horsepower of the PTO power times 0.86. And this gives us 154.8 horsepower, which is missing here. So this gives us 154.8 horsepower. So the 86% rule is also a way to estimate the PTO power. So in this problem, we were only looking for the drawbar power, which was the 154.8 horsepower. But let's say, for example, you were asked to estimate the drawbar power from the engine power in horsepower. Again, this would be a very estimated value. So if you were given the engine power in horsepower, you would multiply this times 0.86 to get your PTO power estimation. Then with that number, you would multiply that again by 0.86 to get your estimated drawbar power. This has the potential to not be the most accurate, and we probably won't ask you something like this, but this is kind of what they explain in the book, and I just kind of wanted to go over it a little bit more because that might be confusing. So again, to get the PTO power, you multiply 0.86 times the engine horsepower, and then you multiply that, so your estimated PTO power, by 0.86 to get your drawbar